today I'm going to teach you how to make a Paloma. I'm not only going to make a Paloma today, I'm going to make something called a Batanga, but I'll explain that one later. The Paloma, the story behind it, like most cocktails, there isn't a accurate story of where it came from. There's a lot of he said, she said, but one of the most popular stories, it comes from a guy called Don Javier Delgado Corona. He is the name that comes along with the story and the history of the Paloma, and it was apparently made by him in the town of Tequila in Mexico. And we're going to start by making that today. So first things first, we're going to prep our glass, not by chilling it, but we are going to cut off a bit of lime, and we're going to salt the rim. Now obviously this is normally more familiar with your margaritas, but this is what we're doing with it today. Just a little bit of lime juice, and then just carefully dab around the edges. You don't want too much, you want a bit. Cool. Got a bit of a knock. Cool, so pop that to one side. And we're also going to just build it in the glass as well. So I'm going to start off with, I believe, from what I remember, 30 mils of lime juice. In like so. It's freshly squeezed lime juice. And then we're going to put 60 mils. So like a lot of my drinks that I make, they're quite hearty, quite strong. 30 and 60. Perfect. In like so. And we're going to top off with some ice. Careful of your nice salt rim, you don't want to ruin that. There we go, that'll do. And then we are going to top it off with some grapefruit juice. So we've got this ruby red grapefruit juice. There we go. Lovely. Pop that there. We're going to give it a nice lime wheel to garnish. And there we have it, a Paloma. So let's give this a little taste. Oh wow, yeah, obviously very tequila-y, quite bitter. Not sure if I like the salt on the side. For margaritas it's fine, it's a little bit more lime forward, and I like lime. Lime's probably one of my favourite ingredients when it comes to cocktails. I like more of a citrusy note. It's just... Yeah, that's good. Grapefruit's got that bitterness. I think the salt's just a little bit too much for me at the first hit. Yeah, obviously it's one of those things, it's salty, so it makes you more thirsty, and you just drink that pretty quickly. It mixes very well though. I might be like pushing the boundaries a bit. I don't know how much of a following this cocktail has, how many strict rules it has, but I was thinking maybe just adding like 10-15 mils of like sugar. Maybe bring that balance out a little bit, make it a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit more balanced. But it's coming up good, it's good. Okay. Yeah, the more I drink it, the more I like it. You're getting that strong agave flavours from the tequila. The grapefruit it's dry, it is bitter, but it's got an aftertaste, it's pretty good. Obviously the lime juice has got that sort of sweet citrus, sour note. Yeah, very delicious. Now I'm thinking about it, yeah. I think for me, that salt just, that's a lot. So maybe not as much salt. Maybe put on half. You can get little tasters if you want, but for me, I would take half the salt off. Obviously, it comes with almost a ritual, isn't it? It's tequila, lime, and salt, but it sticks with the cocktails as well as the shots. But that's a very nice drink. For me, I think I just hold back on the salt myself. Okay, cool. So we're going to put that to one side for now. And our next drink, we are making 2 drinks in this video. Like I said before, we're doing a Batanga. Now, Batanga is a variation of this. It is a very simple change of just swapping the grapefruit out for Coca-Cola. So that's what we're going to do today. Give it a little try. So let's get our glass ready. So, like we did before, we're going to rim the edge of our glass, like so. I'm going to be sensible this time. I'm only going to put it on half. Yeah, I'll do. Just on half. Pop that to one side. And then we're going to pour 30 mils, again, of lime juice, in like so. And then we're going to do 60 mils of tequila, 100% agave reposado tequila, for any one of you who are interested. There we are. And then we've got some ice. Just melt it a little bit, just get rid of that water. Should be enough. Hey! Dropping it. Chuck that in there, that's fine. Probably could do with a little more actually. Just grab my ice out of the freezer. Okay, just top that up again. There we go, fill it all the way to the top. Put that there. And then we're gonna fill it up with some Coca-Cola. There we go, there's not a lot in there. Trying a few ounces. Give it a little bit of a jiggle. And same garnish, we will do a nice lime wheel. Like so. Put it on the salty side. There we are. There we have it, guys. A Batanga. Okay, so let's give this one a taste. So I didn't go for the salty side this time, I went for the clean edge. I feel like that's good. That's really good. It's got that sweetness obviously from the Coke, it's pretty much just sugar. That I was looking for in there. However, it's missing that sort of I don't know. There's something in there that has, obviously it's 2 different ingredients, like the grapefruit and the Coke, vastly different. But you know, the agave still there, so strong. The lime juice, very prominent. Yeah. I feel like it's a different kind of sweetness I'm looking for. Maybe I was just looking at the colour of that and thinking, you know, fruity and everything, but it's not the right kind of fruit. Yeah. Well, it is delicious. I could take that. Yeah. So I don't really know much about the Batanga apart from I've just been told it's a variation of the Paloma. Obviously the Paloma history goes back a little while, and it's still unclear to who invented it. But as cocktails are, you don't always know where they come from, but you enjoy them. Yeah, wow. Okay. Well, if I had to pick between the 2, I feel like if I added maybe even just 10 ml of sugar to that one, this would be the winner. But it's a draw at the moment, so maybe I'll give this one a go. And that's what it's all about, is giving it a go, trying out variations and playing around a little bit. And that's how you come up with your own cocktails. So hopefully guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please give this one a go, or these 2 a go. take photos, send them to us. We've got Facebook, Instagram, the whole shebang. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.